Guess what I got today? I got my Abundant Harvest here in Bakersfield. It comes in this big box right here, you can see. And just wanted to share with you really quick what I got. I got some lettuce, and this is all organic and locally grown. I got some basil, tons of basil. I got some big, nice, yummy looking peaches. I got potatoes. I got cucumbers. Well, this is a big cucumber. Apricots, or apricots, however you say it. I got corn. Sweet peppers. Ooh, look at those. Cool. And tomatoes. Mmm. And onions. And I think that's it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And if you have an Abundant Harvest near you, you can check on their website. I'll post their website for you guys. But it's totally worth checking out. It's really cool. It's only like 22 bucks for a box for two, and that's for a week's worth, and they give it to you on like one day of the week. I got mine on Saturday. So anyways, just wanted to tell you that. Okay.